I welcome you to Real Detroit TV, real independent journalism with real news stories.
My bedroom has no power. Look in here, it has power. And I've been telling them forever, so they've been frying my fucking devices, fucking them up because they knew the electricity was fucked up in here and they never came to fix it. Never.
There was a whole lot of strange shit going on when I moved in. Like a lot of these electrical outlets was frying my devices. They kept the heat on in the summer before I moved in for a month, so I had a $150 electrical bill. They were just doing a lot of shady slumlord, I call it the money pit, just fuckery. Then when I started writing up the female management staff at that time, as you can see from one of the first videos I put out about Woodbridge Estates, I started getting this type of lack of professionalism, retaliatory treatment where they just wouldn't service anything in my apartment, in my townhouse, sending individuals like this to try to trigger me. Now it's a real act of cowardice to be fucking with a disabled veteran, but they use individuals like this over here at Woodbridge, beta males, who the bottom aspect of life, not too smart, and will do anything for a job.
It was that, but that's the one that sent a surge through. But you see, this shit done fried. See, I don't even know which this one's on, because it done fried my whole fucking bedroom. Whichever one was this, the spark came out of here. Look at this fucking grid. You know this is a shit. This is a fucking shit job. Like, what goes to what? Look how this shit is up here. I'm just cutting all that shit. I don't know what the fuck. Take a walk with me through Woodbridge on a faulty ass fucking property. Now I had a laptop when I first moved in here plugged in this fucking plug over here, and a motherfucker sent a surge and fried the fucking my laptop. So I'm thinking, oh, you know, like I should have had insurance, blah 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 blah, put its charge. But I did. I had a surge protector too. Now I got enough. Now the maintenance man came today. I'll attach that video. This motherfucker admitted the electricity was fucked up. Yeah, you know the electricity fucked up. They been on that shit. And I'll attach the other videos when they supposed to been come fix the electricity for the doorbell for the last 2-3 years. The motherfuckers never did. Cause yeah, but here's the thing. Now this shit. So when he did that, now the only reason why he admitted it's the electricity, because when he hit the switch and did the reset, he saw the fucking where the toaster at, that shit spark up. So it's like, yeah, you could spark a fire in this motherfucker. He seen that shit and know it's supposed to be some real shit. Now I recorded that shit. I recorded the full thing. Now over here, this shit done blew out my whole fucking bedroom and this, and I got a surge protector in there, but it don't fucking matter, because even with a surge protector, the electricity so fucked up in here, it'll send shit frying through your shit. And you see all this electronic shit that I got up in here. So these some hold on, I ain't gonna even, I'll get into my name calling and all that shit later. But yeah, these some dirty ass motherfuckers. What is this motherfucker still up, right? Now two more things, and this fucking got fried in my fucking place. Now you will know that like this light is on straight since all that shit got fried. So the electricity is really fucked up in here, and they know that, and they keep frying my shit. So I'm like, I think they did this shit on personally.
Near.
You said what?
Near the garbage disposal.
Yeah, disposal. Right. I think last time I seen them, they took that one off, and then it like spilled out. But see, you might gonna need to pail. That bag ain't gonna get it. I'm telling you. All right, we're gonna see.
This, okay?
All right.
So where you see?
Yeah.
I do what you like. You want me to do?
He said what?
I do what you suggest. So
yeah. I'm trying to
know it, right?
Yeah, gonna get. Yep. See, told you. That's what's going on, but it's stuck in there. Yeah.
It's okay. It's still running. So it's not a clog.
It's dog. You gonna try to tell me?
You mean it's a clog? It's a clog, no? Yeah, it's okay now.
It's clogged. No, all right, we gonna see. All right, no, See, usually, see, look, see, I'm telling you, it's clogged up. but it's all the most of, maybe you got the most out of there. But that shit was leaking because it was so clogged up. That's why it was leaking, because it was so clogged up. So you can't say it wasn't clogged.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a lot of bad thing here.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
yeah.
So let's see if it turned back on. Now maybe I hope I didn't like it didn't break when I kept turning it on and burnt it out. I hope that didn't happen.
Okay.
But that shouldn't have did it, because the reset is under there.
Okay.
You know where the reset at.
I put it in the bag. Okay?
Right.
Okay. Is this right? This right.
Oh shit.
No.
You don't remember how you took that bitch off? So you might you start recording it so you can retrace it. How you took it back. That's what I do with this computer stuff. I had to record everything to retrace how I took it apart.
What's your job? Used to kill. You
Do a lot.
do a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your toe is right.
My what?
The toe is right.
The what?
The toes you gave me is right.
The tools?
Yeah.
What do you mean tools? Oh, the tools?
Toes is right. Oh.
You need the right tool?
No. I mean your toe is right.
I was right?
You didn't understand me.
No, I don't understand. What did you say?
I mean you did this. It's right.
Yeah.
It's the right things you did.
Oh, is it the right things I did? Yeah.
Yeah. So.
No, I'm just paying attention, but no, I'm not like no. My job was information technology.
Okay. Are you plumber?
No, I'm not. No, I was a boxer and a soldier. No, a soldier. No, a boxer and a soldier. Yeah.
You're a soldier.
No, I was. Foresight, I was psychological warfare.
Okay.
Psychological warfare, but I was special duty on the Olympic boxing team.
Yes. I want to be a soldier before I
Nah, look, you don't want to do that. Where in the U.S. or here? You want to be a soldier? Or
Like button so they can register on YouTube algorithm. Again, if you enjoy this free content, this free information, and you leave here smarter, which is my intention, then go ahead and hit the like button.
where you from?
from Australia.
Algeria? Australia. Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your nationality?
The same as you. Are you USA?
No. Your nationality, like what race are you?
New Zealand.
New Zealand? No, but you're Asian and something. You're not like Filipino and what, New Zealander?
I don't know.
You're not, okay.
I don't know.
All right.
Now, this was the worst maintenance crew that they have, and they kept them around for like 3 years because they have no respect for the tenants, and they like to play games and fuck with you. Now, this particular one, he goes to the neighbor house who's crazy as hell that I had to put a harassment complaint on, follow me around at stores, trying to fight me, talking about you ain't special. But she would keep all our television down and everything and just listen through the fucking vents with her phone. I mean, it was crazy. So when he's supposed to come over here to fulfill this work request, emergency work request that I called late at night, he knocks at her door first, again, trying to fuck with me, go knock at her door first, like he doesn't know where my apartment at, and my address is in 2 different places. It's on the Ameritech electrical box on the side in orange and in the front. So I'm like, this motherfucker don't even know what the address is, a place that he been to twice. But that's the low IQ antagonistic games, and it really started with the other video that you saw with his cohort, partner in crime, the beta male, passive aggressive, low IQ antagonistic supervisor Ryan.
All right, hold, here I come. All right, go on, I'll be right up there. Oh, this motherfucking dude a weirdo. I swear to God, this dude a weirdo. This motherfucker weirdo. I told him the address. Hey, y'all, hey, told this nigga address about 3 times. He get up there trying to argue with me. I said, a motherfucking garbage disposal. I've been here 8 years, nigga. I know what's wrong with this shit.
They doing maintenance.
No, I had to call him because the shit ain't working, so it's filling up my sink. Oh, so he's trying to argue with me. I'm like, man, shut the hell up and listen to what I tell you.
That's right.
Boy, don't know shit. Then this here. He looking around my house like this. Cause all he does is he's like, oh my God, what do you do? What is your job? Get the fuck out of here. All right.
No power.
No power? Oh, so it did. So I must have blew the fuse. So you gotta go back.
You got extension. I can try and see.
You mean the extension cord to try to see on it? All right. Hold on.
After you make a man save, okay?
Okay, so you basically just have an electrician to come tomorrow to check it.
Tomorrow I will report to the office.
Now, did you note that I stuck him to the date because this will happen on a Sunday? So he's supposed to have called the next day for the electrician to come through. I waited to Wednesday and called the office. They was like, oh, we don't know nothing about it. Oh, no, he didn't tell us anything. And they kept him around. I just seen him. It's January the 12th, 2026. They just ran him by me yesterday. But I'll get into that with the next video on this. But again, showing you how they play games and do no real work. But again, it's like, to me, it seems like low IQ retaliatory antics to try to trigger me.
Yeah, all night.
Yeah, but I can't watch. How long this shit gonna take me? Because I can't wash anything like my dishes and shit. I can't even cook. I'm just up there. So how long does it take? No, I can't. No, you said
tomorrow.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
Wait. Yeah.
I'm just trying to be sure because y'all like to be real. You said my phone, like, no, I
cannot control something. I cannot outside my power, but I will report.
Right. So like, just like they're doing. All right. No, that's why I'm recording it, just in case it took them a year to fix a fucking hole in the basement. So I want to see if this shit, because no, y'all real late and long on shit, for real, especially this new crew. So I want to see how long it take you. That's why I'm recording.
No, we found contractor here. No.
You said what?
We found an electrician here.
Yo, you do have electrician. Yeah, you have to get a specialist electrician. All right.
Yeah, not me. No.
Right. The property managers. Right, I understand. But but I'm recording it because y'all very late on stuff. Not you, but the property manager.
Okay.
All right.
Tonight.
All right. Then don't forget the correct address for this when you make the report.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Use my phone.
All right. All right.
I'm your enemy because I tell you the truth.
When Akon builds up his city, I'ma be at the gate scanning you niggas, and none of you niggas is allowed inside of the new Wakanda when it comes to these smear campaigns. We need black media. We need strong black media.
This channel is dedicated to benefiting you by educating you through enhanced digital technology for social, cultural, and political, economical development. Like button, so they can register on YouTube algorithm. Again, if you enjoy this free content, this free information, and you leave here smarter, which is my intention, then go ahead and hit the like button.